Hey again. I have another nifty profile tip for you. You're not profile only, but this one works i- in your group chats, IMs, open chats, and and whatever on uh, um, on SL. If you want to showcase something from a link, you want to take the link and make a square bracket face having the opening to the right, like I have here. Paste the link. For this case, it, it's a marketplace link, and then you write something. For this test, I'm gonna write cute shorts sets, and then you close it off w- with with the other square bracket facing with the opening to the T, and click save. Now, if 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 we toggle the profile preview, you will see a cute short set, and then the marketplace link. This also works for your YouTube links, screenshot links, you name it. If it was sent in a group IM or your local, you would do this: a square bracket, paste the link, and ending it off with a square bracket. Then send it. So now Jesse has gotten a message saying a cute short set. So if you move your mouse over to the sets, n- 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 no, over to the link, you will see where it sends you to, and that way uh, you can be sure of it's nothing scammy or anything like that. If you find this video uh, helpful, please let me know. If you have any questions, message me on SL. Bye.